If you have ever heard of Noni juice, then you might be aware of this herb. However, many people don't realize the Noni juice often sold in health food stores is actually from an herb called Noni. This herb is native to parts of Australia, Asia, and Polynesia. It is a shorter plant with white flowers and Noni fruit that is a green and white shade. The fruit smells like cheese when it is ripe, but it has loads of health benefits. Other parts of the tree can also be used as a healthy herb. Health benefits of Noni. Noni is not only healthy and good for you when you drink Noni juice, but also when you eat the fruit or any part of the plant as an herb. Here are some of the top benefits of Noni. Number 1. Relieve arthritis symptoms. If you have arthritis, you are probably in quite a bit of physical pain. This comes from inflammation and swelling in your joints. Noni naturally has analgesic qualities, which can help reduce inflammation, then provide pain relief for your arthritis. Number 2. Help improve your immune system. Noni can help boost your immune system, which will help keep away infections, cold, bronchitis, and other related illnesses. Boosting your immune system can also help to prevent sluggishness. Number 3. Protect your body from cancer. While Noni can't help you to battle cancer, it can help protect your body from it before you get cancer or during the initial stages. You should still discuss taking this herb or drinking the juice with your doctor if you have been diagnosed with cancer. Number 4. Fight anxiety and depression. Your mental health can also benefit from having Noni. There are biochemicals in the plant and the fruit that can help to boost your mood and reduce the effects from stress, anxiety, and depression. Number 5. Help with diabetes. If you have diabetes, you can also benefit from Noni. It helps to regulate the insulin resistance in your pancreas and can reduce the risk of vision or circulation issues from the diabetes. If you liked this video, share the love, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.